So it's a nice rainy day today, and it's not too cold. But it's a nice day for tearing out a window. Plan is to take this big window out. It's an original window to the house. It's got some old trim. It's kind of rotten. It's got holes in it. You can see I stuffed one of the holes with a piece of foam. And drafty, single pane glass. Nothing really worth saving there. So I'm going to go ahead and tear it out. We're going to put 2 new single hung windows in. They should be a lot more energy efficient and comfortable for the house. Inside, I'll need to take off some of the stop trim to line the picture window here. Then the window itself should come out. Hopefully I don't break it. Just single pane. Well, the window's out. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, good start.
So anyway, basically we got this out. That piece over there, it really came out in one big piece. I couldn't get the transom window out on its own. It was just frozen in, painted in. But the hole's clear. Next step, we got to widen this thing out. Get some framing in and start framing in the new opening.
I can't wait.
You ready to help?
Yeah, maybe.
Go get your work shoes on. I don't think those are going to cut it.
Are they already pretty?
Yeah, they look like nail magnets. Anyway, why don't you go get back to what you're doing? I'll get back to what I'm doing.
Bye.
So to frame this in, I'm going to build 2 posts on either side of the window. I have 2 windows that's going to go in here, the 32 by 60 inch rough openings. I'll need to put a center post down the middle and then span between the post in the center and the posts on the sides with 2 headers. I'll use a 2 by 6 header and then widen the opening outside. Once the side posts are in, I can go ahead and cut out the existing posts, and that should support the wall. And then just infill with additional framing to complete the sized openings for the new windows. Once that's all done, I'll add some sheathing on the outside and close it up.
Hi, YouTube. Hi.
Well, what do you guys think?
Good. Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Did I do all right?
Yeah.
You like the new windows?
Yeah. No, not really.
So,
Until we get the windows on, the real windows on.
when are they coming?
I have no idea.
You know? About a week. What are we going to do then?
And then we're going to have to work outside. Like, plaster, like, do the outside of the windows.
We got to nail them on
Mm-hmm.
and then do some siding. Yeah? And then, how about inside? What do we got left?
We can make that window and this window in the future.
Yeah. Well, that's not going to be a window over there, but
Oh, it's not.
we'll do a window here.
And which one we were here? We're going to do the same side. We're going to do the same thing like over here.
Yep, we got to take that plaster down and take some plaster down over here. Get all the dirt out. And then what?
And then,
Put new floor in.
and then we're going to like and then we're going to move the stuff in.
Then we're going to move the stuff in.
Daddy, is this gonna be our bedroom?
When it's all done, you guys are gonna move into here for a while, and
So you can work on the bathrooms back.
so we can work into where you're sleeping. Yep. So
And we're going to build our stuff like our bunk bed.
your bunk beds will come in here. Your Xbox.
Daddy, when is it gonna come? Our TV.
Well, we got to finish it. We got to get the floor in. We got to put insulation in. Put drywall in.
But you said for a while.
Well, how long do you think it'll take?
About a week.
A week? I got a week to finish this room.
About 2
Well, the
weeks.
windows don't come for a week.
2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks. You're gonna give me 3 weeks to finish the room?
Yeah. Maybe 4 or 3.
3 or
4 or 3. I give it
2 weeks
2. 4 or 3.
or 3? 3 weeks.
Or 4.
You'll give me 4 weeks.
I'll give you 2. No, one for the windows and one for this room.
For the rest of it?
Yeah.
So I gotta do a floor, a ceiling, all the walls in 2 weeks?
I'm giving you like 3 or 4.
Alright.
See? 1 week putting the insulation up. No, like 1 week taking all this down. Then put the insulation up for the second week. Then 3rd week put the walls on.
Walls on there.
How long are we gonna be in this room?
How long?
Yeah.
How long you gonna live in here? Till we
No.
get your bedrooms upstairs done.
Yeah.
How long do I have to do those? 2 more weeks?
No, about like 10 or
10 weeks?
9 or 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
What are we even? Or 7. 7 days.
Yeah, a week, 7 days, buddy.
So 7 times 2 is 14.
2 weeks. I got 14 days. That's a lot of work to do in 14 days. Well, today was a long day. I got all this framed up.
Daddy, I hope you get 1,000 likes.
That sounds good. 1,000 likes, people. We got a challenge. 1,000 likes. Eddie's calling for it. Be sure to like the video.
$5,000.
We're not giving anybody $5,000 for likes. No. Never mind that. When the windows come, we'll cut these holes out. Put the windows in, and then once the windows are in,
We're gonna do this bottom.
we can do the drywall. We have from now until the windows come, get all the rest of the plaster down, get the dirt out, and get the insulation. You gonna help me tomorrow? Should we do some demo tomorrow, guys?
Yeah, which wall?
That wall right there.
Wait for clear all up.
And that wall right there.
And you also have to clear the glass.
And the lath. And the insulation. You guys in? What time should we get started?
After school.
You don't have school tomorrow, it's Saturday.
Oh, right.
And it's raining all day, so no playing outside. But it's a nice day.
Right in the morning.
In the morning, what time?
About like 11.
11, that's not morning, that's lunch.
No, 11 p.m. a.m. When we wake
That's
up.
lunch break. You get up at 6 o'clock, Frank.
Well, you guys get up at 9. Then we eat breakfast for another hour.
I don't sleep until 9.
8. Well,
No.
you wake up sometimes till 9.
I know,
Weekends.
maybe on a Saturday.
And if tomorrow's a Saturday.
Okay, well maybe I'll get up before 9. Oh, let's get started by 9, okay?
Wow. So we're all gonna wake up at 8 except Mom.
Mom's sleeping in, sure.
And then
We'll eat our Lucky Charms and get busy. Sound like a plan? Let's go team. Everybody in. Ready, set, go team! See you tomorrow.